Money Secrets Exposed, the shocking truth behind financial success. Open with a thought-provoking question. Ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? We're pulling back the curtain on the secrets of financial success that the wealthy don't want you to know. Segment 1, The Wealth Disparity. Present staggering statistics on income inequality. Did you know that the top 1% of earners in the United States control over 40% of the country's wealth? Discuss the systemic factors perpetuating wealth disparity, from tax loopholes to inheritance advantages. The deck is often stacked in favor of the wealthy, leaving the rest of us to fend for ourselves. Segment 2, The Mindset Shift. Highlight the importance of mindset in achieving financial success. Contrary to popular belief, wealth isn't just about luck or inheritance, it's about mindset. Share stories of individuals who overcame adversity to achieve financial abundance. From rags to riches, these self-made millionaires prove that with the right mindset, anything is possible. Segment 3, The Power of Passive Income. Explain the concept of passive income and its role in building wealth. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort, allowing you to make money while you sleep. Showcase various passive income streams, such as rental properties, dividends, and royalties. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a steady stream of passive income that grows over time. Segment 4, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Goal. Define financial freedom and its significance. Financial freedom is the ability to live life on your own terms, without being shackled by money worries. Outline steps to achieve financial freedom, such as budgeting, investing, and entrepreneurship. By living below your means, investing in assets, and creating multiple streams of income, you can break free from the rat race and live the life of your dreams. Conclusion. Summarize the key takeaways. In a world where money seems out of reach for many, it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge and take control of your financial destiny. Empower viewers to take action. Don't wait for wealth to fall into your lap, go out and create it. With determination, discipline, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve financial success beyond your wildest dreams.